it's Rich Tehrani with TMC. We are here at the blockchain event, part of the IT Expo TECHSUPERSHOw. On our program today is Andre de Castro. He is with Blockchain of Things. Andre, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you for having me, Rich. I'm very well, very well.
Thanks for being here. Tell us a little bit about your company. What do you guys do?
We provide a second layer integration into the global Bitcoin blockchain so people can build applications on the Bitcoin blockchain. We don't have our own blockchain. Most people are surprised about this because most people think you can't build applications or develop or integrate with Bitcoin, yet you can. And what's really exciting is that not only does our second layer technology expose APIs, but we're integrated with low-code tools. So even if you don't know how to develop, you could assemble by dragging and dropping and building the application you want.
So some of the benefits are just Bitcoin being ubiquitous, trusted, right? So those are some of the reasons you'd want to do that.
Absolutely. If you use the Bitcoin blockchain, then you have the resiliency, the global footprint, right? It's the largest in the world. We bring all of the best features that one would expect from like a DLT or private blockchain inside of a corporation on our second layer. So we bring encryption to Bitcoin that traditionally doesn't have, permissioning, the ability to create tokens and NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain. So you get all of the flexibility from a corporate perspective. You also get all of the security that you would expect that doesn't come with a public blockchain. But we also reduce your costs because you don't have to prop up or run a blockchain. The blockchain is being run by tens of thousands of nodes throughout the world for you.
Awesome. So one of the challenges of Bitcoin that some people have complained about is the speed of the Bitcoin blockchain. Is that an issue at all for you guys?
Not at all. And the reason for that is that we run second layer technology. So all of the transactions, we call them messages, are all in real time, okay? And all of them are also logged. We call it eventual logging to the Bitcoin blockchain for auditing, right? So most companies, when they're delivering a payload across the planet via the peer-to-peer network or logging something for provenance, they only care about the auditing in time, meaning that even if you have products coming off of an assembly line and you're logging that to the Bitcoin blockchain, you still have to get it in a box, in a truck, right? So they talk about the logging taking 10 minutes. Companies only do auditing once a month, maybe once a quarter. So even if the logging were to occur every 48 hours, it would be fine. And we guaranteed that within 6 hours.
Fantastic. Is there any news or anything else we should know about what you guys are up to?
Absolutely. Something very exciting that we've done is that a lot of people give pushback because they don't believe that you can build on the Bitcoin blockchain. So what we've done is we've opened up the whole platform where you can go and sign up for a developer account, start building and use the full power of the product. The only difference between that account is that it runs on the testnet parallel network that the developers use of Bitcoin. And then after you build, you can migrate it onto the main production chain. But yeah, you could use the full power of the product now, and we think that that's exciting for all the disbelievers that we could do this to come and use the product. And we think everybody should go to our website and check it out.
Great. Now there's been obviously some volatility with the price of Bitcoin going from 60 to under 20K and then back up to 20K. I think that's where it was this morning when I looked. Has that volatility affected the business at all?
Not at all, because we're not in the business of sending or transmitting Bitcoin. One of the major technologies that we have on our product is that our customers never have to buy, hold, or secure Bitcoin. So we actually abstract Bitcoin from the actual Bitcoin blockchain. We're a connectivity layer where you pay licensing fees, and then you get to use it like you would normally use any API set or any development tool. So you never have any liability, so the price and fluctuation of Bitcoin really doesn't impact you much. And our transaction costs start at 25 cents and go down to under a penny, depending on how much you use.
Excellent. Is there anything else we should know?
Yes, you could find us, you should follow us on Twitter at BlockchainOT, And if you want a free account and you want to learn more about the product, you can come to blockchainofthings.com, contact us through the website, or sign up for a free account and start using the product today.
Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.